to Heather's Crafty Classroom. Today I have a cute little project share for you. I made a mini album for a friend. She takes her family to Disney all the time. So I made her this cute little mini album. It measures 5 1/4 by 5 1/4 and has a 1-inch spine. So this is the spine. These are stickers. So what I did is at Joann's, they had this Mickey Mouse and Friends page kit on clearance. It was like $4 or something ridiculous. So I bought this and then I bought a small sticker pack. And I thought I can make something cute with this. And the stuff was like super cheap at Joann's. So the sticker pack were these. They're really, really dimensional. If you can see, it's a couple layers of foam in there. Super duper fuzzy, bumpy. So I had to use them wisely in my album, but I think it turned out really cute. Like I said, it's 5 1/4 by 5 1/4, has a 1-inch spine. Here's the back. I still need to put my little logo back here. And I did some black satin ribbon as a tie. So it opens up like so. Over here, I put some photo mats that are just 4 by 4. And I just added those into the front. And I made a pocket here with another photo mat, front and back for photos. On the first page, this is another one of those stickers. It says magic. It is bumped up on foam, each of those pieces. And I put a few little inserts. I thought this was so cute. She can journal like the day or year. Gonna put a picture on the back, put pictures on this one, and this one is just plain photo mat. And they just slide right in there. Then this opens up, plenty of space for more photos. I did not add magnets in this closure because this was so heavy with all the photo mats. I said, no, we don't need a magnet here. But I did add this little cut apart. I thought that was so cute. Could put a picture on the back. And then there's another photo mat here, front and back. I only matted some of these on one side just to, reduce the bulk. They can get really, really bulky. Then you flip it over. So it only has the one page, but it has quite a bit. So over here, I had the castle was part of the sticker, and you can see how chunky. There's, I think, 3 layers of foam in here. Super cute, along with the Wish Upon a Star. So this is a belly band for a photo mat, pictures on both sides. And then this lifts up for photo here, and it opens again, photo here, and then this just flips up for a little journal spot way up here. I just thought that was so cute, and it totally worked out. And it's just no magnets in this album. I kept it pretty simple, but I think it's totally effective. So over here, I did a little waterfall. It says M is for mischief. These were part of that paper pack. They were stickers and cutouts that they had. And I made the waterfall has 2 little inserts for photos and journaling. Flips up for a photo here, photo here. This one has another insert, photo on both sides. And then flip up one more time, photo here and photo here. So that is the entire album. I think it's so cute. I will be posting a tutorial on this album, so you can look forward to that later in my channel. It will not be Mickey Mouse or Disney inspired because this is all the Mickey stuff I have, and there's not enough to do another big book. I'll probably do a little card or something out of the rest and then hold on to the stickers and such. But that's all I have at this point in time. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe like always. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.